Hi, my name is Dr. Meenu Tyagi. I'm a practicing geriatrician at Kriti Healthcare, Sector 63, Gurgaon. So, Dr. Sanjeev Tyagi and myself, after successfully running Kriti Hospital for 15 years, we gradually progressed to our palliative and assisted living facility, Kriti Elder Care, in 2015, with 18 beds, which has now gradually progressed to 150 rooms. So, at Kriti Healthcare, we offer comprehensive healthcare solution for elders, starting with retirement community for pensioners. We also deal with elders who require assisted living facility and skilled nursing facility. We also offer patients who require acute treatment in case of any kind of emergencies as well. So we offer facilities to patients who are wheelchair bound, who are bed bound, and patients requiring assistance for the instrumental activities of daily living, like their basic hygiene, yoga, walk, physiotherapy, bhajans, tambola, games for dementia and Alzheimer's patients. We also take care of patients who require rehabilitation for post-ortho surgery, post-neurosurgery, patients of osteoarthritis, patients who are unable to do their activities at home, who are unable to being looked after at home. For rehabilitation, we have a dedicated physiotherapy team who do proper physiotherapy for all patients. We also have activities like knitting, embroidery, and painting classes for patients who are able to do so. Also, we offer nursing care facilities for patients who are on tracheostomy, on Ryle's tube, who require BiPAP, oxygen nebulization, and IV antibiotics and physiotherapy. A positive environment is created at Kriti Healthcare by celebrating birthdays, anniversaries, festivals like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami. We have musicians coming over on New Year's for musical extravaganza, and 15th August, 26th January is celebrated with flag hosting to keep the patients involved. And to prevent the caregiver burnout, we have regular activities for staff and nursing staff so that they can also feel happy and committed to patient care. For afterlife solutions, we sometimes, if required, we arrange freezer for the patient, for flowers, for death certificate, proper cremation, prayer meetings, and if required, we also do mercy of our demised patients so that they can depart with dignity. So as you can see, at Kriti Healthcare, we offer solutions from end to end, from the time of admission to the time of, in case if they depart, we try and help as much as possible so that the elderly can feel at home, the quality of their life improves, and we do as much as possible for their mobility, strength, and balance of the patient. At Kriti Healthcare, the entire team of Kriti Healthcare is committed to serving the elderly in as much as, in whatever way is possible. And we are very thankful for all the patients and their attendants for keeping faith in our hospital. Thank you.